following is a production of the University of Minnesota.
Classroom Projection System Video Guide. Connecting a laptop computer to the classroom projection system. The connection cables are located in the pocket of the instructor station. You may need to lift up a cover to access the cables. The three cables provided are VGA for video, Ethernet for wired network, and the laptop audio cable. First, connect the VGA cable to the laptop monitor port before you turn on your laptop. Be sure to align the cable with the port and push it straight in, taking care to not bend the pins. If you are using a Mac laptop, you will need an adapter to connect to the system. Next, connect the Ethernet cable to the Ethernet jack on your laptop. And finally, connect the audio cable to the laptop headphone jack. Press the laptop source button on the control panel. The button will blink while the projection system warms up. This will take approximately 3 minutes. When the laptop button stops blinking, start the laptop. If the laptop image does not appear on the projection screen, you may need to activate the external display function on the laptop. On many Windows PCs, you must press and hold the FN key while pressing the appropriate secondary function key. If you need to adjust the laptop volume, press the volume up or down buttons on the control panel. Instructions for other components and answers to your frequently asked questions can be found on our website or by calling the Classroom Support Hotline at 612-625-1086. Thank you for watching the Classroom Projection System Video Guide.